Car air conditioning systems are crucial for comfort and safety, but common mistakes can severely degrade performance, leading to inefficient operation, increased fuel consumption, and costly repairs. This video highlights 10 key mistakes to avoid, helping you maintain optimal cooling and extend your AC system's lifespan. Avoiding these mistakes can reduce AC failures by over 60%. Low refrigerant levels significantly reduce cooling efficiency. Leaks are a primary cause, often stemming from worn seals or damaged components. Regularly check for signs of leaks, such as oily residue or hissing sounds. Addressing leaks promptly prevents compressor damage and ensures efficient cooling. A 2024 Napa survey indicates 35% of AC failures are due to low refrigerant. Car AC systems need regular maintenance to function properly. Skipping this common mistake can lead to serious problems. AC systems require servicing every 1 to 2 years or every 15,000 to 30,000 miles. This includes thorough checks for leaks and cleaning of all components. Regular maintenance also involves recharging the refrigerant when levels are low, which helps maintain optimal cooling performance. Neglecting maintenance leads to component wear and reduced efficiency over time. Routine checks can prevent major breakdowns. This simple step saves on repair costs and ensures your AC system lasts longer. Experts strongly recommend regular maintenance for best performance. Using the wrong type of refrigerant can severely damage your car's AC system. Modern vehicles often require R1234YF refrigerant, while some advanced systems use carbon dioxide, known as R44. Older cars typically use R134A. Always check your vehicle's manual to confirm the correct refrigerant type. Using the incorrect one can lead to compressor burnout and other serious damage. These repairs can be very expensive, often costing $1,500 or more, as seen in a 2024 Toyota Prius case where incorrect refrigerant caused system failure. Obstructing AC vents restricts airflow and reduces cooling efficiency. Ensure vents are clear of obstructions like papers, bags, or other items. Blocked vents force the system to work harder, potentially leading to overheating and component failure. A 2025 RepairPal survey found blocked vents caused 15% of summer breakdowns in urban areas. Neglecting cabin air filter replacement is a common mistake that restricts airflow to the AC system. A dirty filter blocks air from circulating properly, reducing the system's ability to cool the cabin. Replace the filter regularly, typically every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or more frequently in dusty environments to maintain optimal performance. A clogged filter reduces cooling efficiency and can cause the evaporator to freeze, leading to further system damage. According to the Department of Energy, dirty filters account for 25% of AC inefficiencies, increasing energy use by 15%. Continuously running the AC at maximum settings strains the compressor. This overworking leads to premature failure and costly repairs. Signs of overworked compressor include lack of cool air, unusual noises, and clutch issues. According to AAA 2025 data, compressor failure costs $300 to $600 to repair. Instead, use the AC judiciously by adjusting the temperature as needed rather than running at full power constantly. Now we'll cover the final 4 common AC mistakes: neglecting a faulty compressor, allowing the condenser to become clogged, ignoring electrical problems, and overlooking belt tension. These mechanical issues can severely disrupt the vapor compression cycle that keeps your car cool. Mistake 7 is neglecting a faulty compressor. The compressor is the heart of the AC system, pressurizing refrigerant gas to keep the cooling cycle running. When it fails, the entire system stops working, leaving you without cool air. Mistake 8 involves allowing the condenser to become clogged. The condenser releases heat from the refrigerant to the outside air through its fins. When dirt, debris, or bugs clog these fins, heat transfer becomes inefficient, causing poor cooling performance and higher system pressure. Mistake 9 is ignoring electrical problems like faulty wiring or blown fuses. Modern AC systems rely on electrical components to operate compressors, fans, and sensors. When these fail, the system may not turn on, run intermittently, or display false error codes that mask the real electrical issue. Mistake 10 involves overlooking belt tension. The serpentine belt powers the compressor through a pulley system. If the belt is loose, it can slip, reducing the compressor's effectiveness and potentially causing it to overheat or fail completely. These mechanical issues all disrupt the vapor compression cycle that makes your AC work. Regular inspection and timely repairs are essential to avoid costly failures. As ASE Master Technician Mike Anderson emphasizes, 80% of AC problems are preventable with basic checks, saving owners billions annually in the United States.